Assalamu alaikum. Today I make a video about Gen Z factor in geopolitics and Bangladesh. The emergence of Generation Z or Gen Z as significant demographic force in reshaping global politics in unprecedented way, born between late 1990s and early 2010s. This generation has grown up a digitally interconnected world defined by rapid technological advancement, climate urgency, shifting political paradigm. In the context of Bangladesh, and Gen Z factor is becoming a vital element in shaping its global interconnection and geopolitical standing. Timeline of generations. Silent generation 1928 to 1945, born during Great Depression and World War II. Baby boomers 1946 to 1964, born during post World War II baby boom. This generation grew up during a period of economic prosperity and social change. Generation X 1965 to 1980. Generation X is often considered transitional generation. Millennial experience from millennial generation is from 1981 to 1996. Millennial experience the digital revolution, globalization, and significant economic disruption, including 2008 financial crisis, tech savvy, socially conscious, and collaborative. They are characterized by their adaptability and focused on experience over material possession. Generation Z or Gen Z represent the first cohort of growth of pervasive digital technology. Smartphone, social media, and online platform have been constant in their lives, influencing their behavior and worldview. The generation is characterized by environmental consciousness, political awareness, and a strong sense of social responsibility. Generation Alpha 2013 to 2024, a most tech-savvy generation to date. Generation Beta 2023 to 2039. Generation Gen Z factor in geopolitics, digital advocacy and solidarity, climate activism, economic behavior, gender equality. Bangladesh Gen Z a rising force. Bangladesh, with an influential amount of young people, is home to a significant generation Z population poised to redefine its domestic and international trajectory. This generation is characterized by unique blend of uh, progressive ideals, from protester for road safety in 2018 to movement against environmental degradation. Bangladesh Gen Z has shown ability to mobilize and demand accountability. Recent overthrowing of government on forming a government of their own and active participation of their representative make the country youth proactive. Hot began a student demonstrative against job quotas, quickly coalesced into a full-fledged people revolution, leading to the dissolution of parliament. Bangladesh is driving the country digitally transformation with increasing access smartphone and internet. They are creating new opportunities in e-commerce, freelancing, and tech entrepreneurship. Bangladesh geopolitical relevance stem from strategic location between South Asia and Southeast Asia, is bargaining economy, and its critical role in climate diplomacy. As one of the most climate vulnerable nation, Bangladesh Gen Z potential led global conversation, climate justice, entrepreneurial, and tech-savvy nature. Gen Z position the country an emerging player of global supply chain, particularly in technology and innovation-driven industries. Gen Z's commitment to accountability and transparency can contribute strengthening Bangladesh democratic institution. Challenge and way forward. Despite potential, Gen Z factor in Bangladesh faces significant challenge: limited access to quality education, digital divide between urban and rural area, and unemployment are barrier to hinder their full potential. Additionally, the country political landscape often marked by polarization, suppression of dissent, post risks of free expression, on activism of young people. To harness power of Gen Z, Bangladesh must invest in education, digital infrastructure, and skill development. Gen Z factor is transformative force in geopolitics, and in context of Bangladesh, it holds immense potential to reshape the country's dynamic with world. By leveraging their global awareness, digital skill, and activism, Bangladesh Gen Z can enhance the country's geopolitical advance, foster sustainable development, and strengthen its global image. Thank you so much.